What was the Harlem Renaissance? Where did the Meiji Restoration take place? What was the main goal of the Meiji Restoration? The Renaissance is an example of a cultural revolution from which country? The Beat Generation was a cultural movement in which country? What cultural movement promoted African American culture and pride? Who was a famous poet of the Harlem Renaissance? Which cultural revolution is associated with the 1960s counterculture movement? The May 4th movement was a cultural revolution in which country? What did the May 4th movement protest against? Who was a key figure in the Harlem Renaissance? The Negritude movement originated in which region? What was the main focus of the Negritude movement? Which 20th century cultural revolution promoted new forms of jazz and blues? The Cultural Revolution of China occurred under which leader? What was a major goal of China's Cultural Revolution? Which movement focused on civil rights and ending segregation in the USA? Which cultural revolution influenced the rise of feminism in the 20th century? Which musical style grew out of the Harlem Renaissance? Which cultural revolution is known for the phrase, "Make love, not war"?